Hi, welcome. Here's how to create a new slide on Decktopus. Open your presentation and click on create a new slide. After that, it's gonna open your AI assistant and write whatever the slide you want to be about. For these presentations, I want another slide about facts so strange that you won't believe they are true. And this was a presentation about the wonders of a human body. So click here, AI assistant will understand what I am saying and give me an answer about double check, basically. So he's saying we will add a surprising but effects slide at the end of your deck. Yes, that's what I want. So I'm clicking on apply changes. And that's it. The slide is ready. You can just reorder it by drag and drop. So click on the slide you want to reorder, place in wherever you want, and that's it. What are you waiting for? Link in the caption.